Namaste. My name is Bhavya Acharya.
My name is Adya Acharya.
Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn some beautiful shlokas that you can chant when you visit different temples. Shlokas are special prayers that help us connect with divine. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start with Ganesha temple. When you visit a Ganesha temple, you can chant this shloka to seek blessing from Lord Ganesha. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Shloka for Ganesha. Vakratunda,
Vakratunda.
Mahakaya,
Mahakaya.
Suryakoti,
Suryakoti.
Samaprabha,
Samaprabha.
Nirvignam,
Nirvignam.
Kuru me Deva,
Kurumedeva.
Sarvakaryeshu,
Sarvakaryeshu.
Sarvada.
Sarvada.
Great job!
Thank you.
Now let's learn the shloka for Anjaneya temple. At the Anjaneya temple, we pray to Lord Hanuman with this shloka. Say it with me.
Okay.
Shloka for Anjaneya. Manojavam,
Manojavam.
Marutatulyavegam,
Matatulyavegam.
Jitendriyam,
Jitendriyam.
Buddhimatam Varishtam,
Buddhimatam Visham.
Vatatmajam,
Vatatmajam.
Vanarayutamukhyam,
Vanarayotamukyam.
Sriramadutam,
Sriramadutam.
Sharanam Prapadhi.
Sharanam Prapatye.
You are doing amazing.
Thank you.
Finally, let's learn a shloka for Devi temple.
Okay.
In the Devi temple, we can chant this shloka to honor the goddess. Follow along, okay?
Okay.
Shloka for Devi. Sarva Mangala
Sarvamangala.
Mangalye
Mangalye.
Shive Sarvartha
Shive Sarva.
Sadhike
Sadhike.
Sharani
Sharani.
Trayambake Gauri
Trayambake Gauri.
Narayani
Narayani.
Namostute.
Namostute.
Well done. You have learned 3 beautiful shlokas today. Remember to chant these whenever you visit these temples. It will make your visit even more special. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fun and learning. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.